Hello, dear friends. So in this video, we will install the Anaconda distribution. But first, why don't we talk a little bit about what Anaconda distribution is and why the heck should we install it now? Open your internet browser and search for Python in, well, your favorite search engine. Click python.org. And click Downloads. Once here, you can choose whatever the suitable download is for your computer system. In other words, choose Windows if the OS is Windows, and choose Mac OS if your operating system is Mac OS. So now we should choose the right package to download. And again, if your computer's OS is 64-bit, we should click on 64-bit. However, if the computer's operating system is 32-bit, we should click 32-bit. So we will study with Python using Python 3.8.8. So we'll choose the suitable release for us. And now let's start the download. So when the download is finished, we can start to install Python to our computers. And of course, for Windows, here we are. We can choose Install Now, and it starts the installation. Done, and click Close. So now the installation is complete. So Anaconda Distribution is a distribution that includes Python and many tools that are used with Python. So this package includes many packages that we're going to need in the future of this course. So especially if you're interested in data analysis in your career, many tools like Jupyter Notebook and Spider, they're going to come along with this distribution to help you. Now, installing the Anaconda distributor on our computer, we're also going to install the Python interpreter. So we can download Anaconda from Anaconda's website. So just open up our browser and search Anaconda in Google, and just click on the link and open up Anaconda's website. And just click on the link. Click on, and now we can choose the suitable download for our computer system. Of course, we should choose Windows. If our operating system is Windows, we should choose Mac OS. If our operating system is Mac OS. Now, we should choose the right package to download, because if our computer's operating system is 64-bit, click on 64. If it's 32, then you're still going to want to click on 64. Now then, when the download is completed, we can start to install Anaconda on our computers. Now we choose Next. We'll choose I agree. Choose Just Me. And choose Next. On the screen, we choose both options and click Install. So the process takes nearly 5 minutes. Done. And choose Next. And look at that, now our installation is completed. So let's open up our Anaconda Navigator. On this screen, we see different tools for Python. So now let's go ahead and install Spider, because we may need it. Spider is basically an IDE for Python. Yeah, I hear you. What is IDE? But I'll explain it to you when our IDE is installing.